Previously on Nash Rathbone.
It's about time I bought some more pliers here, because these are like lineman pliers, but from the future. I thought, oh yeah, definitely got to have them. Let's get into them and find out what they're like. I haven't looked at them yet, guys. Make sure they're out of the way. We'll get the knife going just here then. What? Oh no! They sent me the wrong thing. Uh-oh. That is not what I ordered at all. Oh no! Hello everyone, welcome back to part 2, as it is, of the unboxing here. Hopefully this feels a little bit more promising, guys. If you remember last time in part 1, we received these little fellows here by mistake. I contacted the company that I purchased the pliers from, and within an hour or so there was another order appeared on my account, and then in the afternoon the guy contacted me and said, oh, I do apologise, etc, etc. I've got to send these back, by the way, and hopefully in here there should be the packaging for said. So as I say, it does feel a little bit more promising this time. So shall we get into it and have a look, see what we got very carefully? Where are the... Right, there we are. So very carefully open along here, hopefully. Oh, isn't it exciting, guys? Right, let's have a look what we got. Oh yes, nice. There's the packaging. Looking good this time. Oh, what do you think of those, guys? This is what we should have got last time. Look at that. How nice are they, look. Lineman pliers from the future. What do you think of those? Wow. How cool are they? They're massive. They go with my other Total tools. My son bought me this set here. These are nice. And then when I saw these, I thought, oh wow, just look at those. Lineman pliers from the future then. Nice. I think what we ought to do is get it out of the little, whatever this bit here is, we'll get it out of there and we'll have a close look, shall we, guys? Oh wow, guys, these things are fantastic. There's the little card that comes with it. 9.5 inch, 240mm, high leverage combination pliers, 30% more strength, as it were. Cool. What do you think? Look at these babies, aren't they great? Tethering parts on the handles, just like on my other ones. Cool. I like these. These are brilliant. Fantastic. Look at the size of these. You know how I like a nice big pair of pliers, don't you? Look at these. Fantastic. Wow. Loving it. Yeah, the grips are nice as well. I like those. Wow. Looks like we've got some sort of gripping, possibly even a crimping bit in there. I would imagine you could probably crimp something in there. It's got little teeth in there as well. I wonder what these jaws are like for cutting. Wow. They're nice, aren't they? Look at that. Wow. Sort of thing you'd find on the Enterprise, aren't they? Wow. I like those. They're really nice. They are. Nice. Oh, gosh. I think we'll have to get some bits and pieces up here and see what these little fellas will cut. Nice, I like those. Wow, awesome. Alrighty then, so here's the wrong tool all ready to be put into the post box first thing tomorrow morning. And let's continue having a look at this one, shall we? Okay, so I've got a few bits ready here. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll start with this. It's a very small 7020, very small wire, as you can see. With these massive, great big pliers. Shouldn't present any problem at all, I wouldn't have thought. Let's have a look. Yep, no effort at all. It cuts it off quite reasonably too. There we go. What about this this stuff right here? What's that like? Here's an end. Try that in there. Oh yeah. It's just effortless is what it is. Absolutely effortless. Alrighty, so what we've got here is we've got some of this rigid cable here. We've got a copper jacket on the outside. We've got some dielectric and then an inner core. I don't know if you can see that or not, but we'll try chopping it off for a start. Wow, piece of cake, no effort required at all there. Even right to the end is a piece of cake. What's it like squashing it in the jaws? Let's try this then, because this stuff takes a little bit of squashing up. Oh bloody hell, yeah, look at that, that was easy. Of course we've got the crimping area at the back here. Let's try that, let's put it right the way through. Look, you can see where we crimped it last time. Oh yeah, wow. Piece of cake, quite effortless there. What else we got? Got some slightly larger coaxial here. It's a double braided outer coat, dielectric, and an inner core as well. Try that. Oh yeah, it doesn't even know it's there, to be honest with you. Okay, what about some 2.5mm twin and earth used in mains electrical wiring in this country? Blimey, yeah, it's like hot knife through butter. I wonder if they're any good at stripping. Let's have a look. Just about. Yeah, so you can strip with it as well. That's cool. So what about using this part here as a crimper? Let's have a look. I've got some stripped cable here. Pop him through like so. Hopefully, there we go. Right, and you can see it's in there. Look. Bring in the pliers. Get it in the jaws. Let's see if we can use it for crimping. See that there? Behind your fingers. Oh, that's almost effortless, is that? Oh, it's just pushed it out through the... Oh, the insulating's come off. Right, let's try that again. Right, a bit more. Have we got it? Let's have a look. Definitely got it. Oh, wow. Just about got it anyway. Managed to pull it out of that one. I think it's left some copper strands behind there, look. Oh yeah. Perhaps might have been overstripped, but it's definitely left some copper strands in there. I wonder how good the gripping section is at like pulling. Got some mule tape here. Maybe you had to get out with some mule tape and pull some cables through. Oh yeah, got a good old grip of that. Yes, wow. Okay, so I wonder if these pliers are any good at actually cutting mule tape. I think I've only got one pair of pliers down there at the moment that will actually cut mule tape. Let's have a look. That's not bad. I like the noise. Let's have a listen to that again. Wicked. It's sort of, yeah, made a hole in it. But, yeah, that's not bad at all, is it really? What about comparing it with a smaller pair of pliers then? See what these are like for cutting mule tape. Yeah, they've kind of had a go at it, but they've not done as well, I don't think. What they like manipulating copper, I wonder. So they've got this stuff we use in the mains here. Oh yeah, no trouble at all there then. So you can manipulate copper with them quite nicely. Such great big pliers. Well, they handled those tasks rather well. I do like these Total pliers, I must admit. I purchased this pair myself, got a review of these on the channel somewhere. They're quite nice. My son bought me these smaller combination pliers here. These are quite nice too, very futuristic. And now I've got the set. I think all I need now is some side cutters to go with them, because they do side cutters in this similar style. But I do like these futuristic lineman pliers. I like a nice large pair of pliers, because I've got large hands, and these are a nice large pliers. They've got a very nice covers on the handles, lovely design, nice and wide. It actually gets wider as it goes out towards the end here. This is actually wider here, and it's just there, and you can see the handles flexing a little bit. We can also see the tether points. I mean, you wouldn't want to drop something like this on somebody's head, would you? Not from a great height. Wouldn't do them a lot of good, would it? They are hefty pliers. They're really quite heavy, to be honest with you guys, but they are very nice pliers. I like those. Okay, so that's these are adding to my collection of futuristic pliers. Very nice indeed. I like those massive, great, heavy old things. I think they're reasonably well made as well. The fit and finish seems to be alright. There's some bit of machinery you can see just here, where they're taking away the forging marks. They've been taken away quite nicely. I'd imagine this is probably done by machine, looking at it. Overall fit and finish is very nice. Like the jaws where they've been machined out, look. They cut well, as we've seen, and we've got these nice biomaterial grips on them too. Okay everyone, well I hope you enjoyed popping over to Rathbone Manor and watching the unboxing of the correct tool this time. I quite like these. So when I saw them out there I thought, wow, I like those. Very nice lineman pliers from the future. Alrighty guys, well don't forget you can subscribe to the channel, that would help me out. Clicking a like would also help me out too. Give us a thumbs up, and you can share the video too. You'll be able to see these on Instagram fairly shortly. I've not posted them up yet because I want you guys to see the unboxing first. So yeah, join me on Instagram, and I'll see you back here on the channel in the very near future then, because I'm going to the car boot sale on Sunday, so I'm sure I'll have some vintage tools to pick up. So yeah, pop by Sunday morning and see what I've got. Okay guys, well thanks for watching, and I'll hope you'll pop over again soon. Stay safe everyone.